YouTube, back with another beer review, and today we have this one again. Not again, but another one. I did reviewed some of them already from Other Half, and Other Half is from Brooklyn, New York. This one is called the All Galaxy Everything, and it's a double dry hopped IPA, and it comes in at 8.5% ABV. So the All Galaxy Everything, what does that mean? That it is, there are only Galaxy hops in here, nothing else hop-wise. So, okay, double dry hopped. You know there is going to be a load of hops again in here, like always these guys do from Brooklyn, New York. And like I told you before, you have to wait a long time in line when going to this brewery to get your new ones from them, because they have an enormous range. Like this is the Galaxy one, but they also have the All Citrus, All Simcoe one, the All Citra one, and also the small All Citra, and all these styles. They have got them all, guys. So okay, look at this, the color, yeah, murky orangey, like yellow murky. From here it's like, yeah, your yellowish color, but here you can see it's really murky. It's really like dirty even. Can I say it? Yeah, dirty. Let's call it dirty. 2-finger head to it. Let's get the nose to it. Cheers, guys. Now you know immediately what types of taste and smell do these Galaxy hops bring forward when you taste it or smell it. Like mostly these IPAs are a mixture of all different hops, but when you can have them all separate, like these guys do from Other Half, they also, yeah, but they, like I told you, they got loads of different cans with multiple hops also, and different styles, and yeah, it's but there are all, if I'm not mistaken, they are all IPAs they make, Other Half. I'm not quite sure, but I always ask for the IPA, so I'm thinking they most of the time make IPAs. Okay, so on the nose, yeah, citrusy, pineapples, really strong pineapple notes here, like your, yeah. Huh? It's really damn nice again. Yeah. It is creamy. It is silky smooth on the mouth. It is really smooth. And it lingers along on your palate. So yeah, there is a slight bitterness to it, but it's clearly a New England style IPA. But you get your pineapple, some peachy notes, some grapefruity notes, maybe some mango to it, like your orangey a little bit, mandarin, like the citra is in here, citrusy flavors. Yeah, it's amazing. So if you want to know how each hop tastes separate, do buy these guys, All Galaxy Everything, or All Simcoe Everything, or All Citra Everything. They are all there. Like you also your small All Citra, like I told you, like it will be less in ABV, or your triples even, like your double dry hopped Imperial IPAs. These ones also, but much more into their range, and always, like I told you, really juicy. Like you can smell them from really far away. Yeah, amazingly brewed all the time. That's why people are searching for these so hard and do pay a lot of money for it, or stand hours in the line at the brewery to get some of these cans. So I'm really happy. My liquor store, Bierhalle de Koning, you know, I did a video about the biggest one in Belgium, one of the biggest ones for sure, and they just got it in and Totally amazed by that. Okay, I'm gonna round it up. Again, a cracking, superb IPA. I'm gonna give this, let's say, 8 to 8.5 out of 10. It is that nice, guys. Do believe me. These are one of the, for me, these are one of the best IPAs. This brewery makes one of the best IPAs in the world, of course. A lot of them, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna round it up. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, please like this video and do subscribe. You don't have to, but it will make me happy, of course. Cheers. Bye. Thanks.